no, another technology video. I mean, another one. I don't really do these that often, like not at all. My camera came in today. I got this. I don't remember where I got this from. It was like a deal. It wasn't like a deal, but I got like a huge deal on it.
That made no sense. Whatever.
I'm not good with cameras. All I know is I film with them. But I got 2 lenses, the camera, and of course batteries. Like a case, or I don't. You'll see. I gotta hurry. Yeah, because I have to go study for my biology quiz tomorrow, and it's 9:15 at night. So I have this giant box. We're gonna open it. We're gonna start with this camera is a Canon EOS Rebel T7, and the quality is like so good. And like, you know, okay, I gotta move on. First thing we have is this, wow, that looks so official. But it's a Canon like bag to hold your camera and lens in. And it like, there we go. And inside, it's this instruction manual for your camera. Big book. A lens wipe, another manual, then a strap for your camera.
Wow, I'm so boring.
I'm still boring, though. It's fine.
That's what's in, and it's like two parted, but the camera goes here and your lens or something or whatever goes there, I guess. That was that. The next thing we're gonna get onto is this lens. It's a 75 to 300 millimeter Canon EF lens. So it's a big lens. So we're gonna like open it up. Whoa my god. You put this on your camera, so it's like focus, or is that focus or is that zoom? I don't know. That's zoom. That means this one's focus. That is freaking gigantic. And that's like all that's in there. The next thing is the camera. And the tape kind of like untaped because it did. My dogs are barking, but ignore that. Excited for this. Okay, I was a little excited, I'm not gonna lie. All the kids from my school are gonna watch this video and be like, oh my god. No, they're not. They're gonna be like, you suck. Why do you only get this amount of views? Huh, you know who you are. Anyway, woo, okay. A register, your camera thing, a limited warranty thing, a battery and like the thing to charge your battery, so like both of those. The deal was like 2 lenses, that casing and the camera. And this is another lens. This is probably the one I would be using to film because that other one is like really big. And I don't know what this one is. So I think it's a 18 to 55 millimeter. So I'd probably use this one to film. That'd make a lot more sense. Oh. I thought I just broke the lens. I'm gonna like stop before I break anything. So next thing is the camera. Okay. Oh my gosh, this looks so cool. There's not a flip-up screen, which like kind of sucks. I was hoping there would be, but you know, for these bigger cameras, you don't have a flip-up screen. But it's like so good, and there's no lens on it right now, so you have to like take the thing off. There. You take the thing off, and you put your lens on there. That's the lens. Oh, okay, this side goes on. Whoops. I don't know if there's a battery in it yet. Should we try turning it on? Oh, I need SD cards. That's the one thing it didn't come with, but I'm gonna go to the store later and I'm gonna get some. So video setting, there's a video setting. There's so many settings on here. It's like so good. Like, oh my god, if you look actually in it, it's just like a video. I'm so excited for this. Okay, I'm gonna like go play around with this.
We're gonna have a little fun.
There we go. I was like, how do you get this lens off?
Whoa.
It's not a review or anything, but I should yeah. But it was just like an unboxing, and I have stuff everywhere, and it's only a 10-minute video. How did that happen? Oh my god, I don't know.
You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Okay, that's like a good storage area. Like, that's really good right there. I also have a tripod for this, so like even better, I don't need to set it on like a countertop or something. I have a tripod for it. I'm getting way too hyper over like actually nothing. So guys, that was the video. Comment down below if you have this camera or what camera do you use. I'm gonna be using this a lot more, but I do have some videos that are pre-filmed, so they're gonna be a little bad quality yet. Sorry. And then I'll be able to use this. So follow my social medias, link below. You like this video, subscribe. Anyway, ew, that was so cringe. Sorry. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you guys later. Bye!